Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your Sats username, password, and the school UDI's/school ID. Open Chrome or Edge and go to the Sats Mdm Karnataka login portal. Once there, enter the school ID first, then your username and password. If two-factor is mandated, expect an OTP to the registered mobile, enter it promptly. Make sure cookies are enabled so sessions persist. If you see a certificate warning, pause and contact District IT before proceeding. Once logged in, you land on the Sats Mdm dashboard, where you select the academic year and month. Choosing wrong dates causes mismatched records. Navigate via the left menu to attendance or meals as needed, and pick daily reports to view or upload entries. When entering data, validate class-wise totals against register counts. The system highlights inconsistencies in red. Save frequently after each section to avoid data loss, and use the export feature to get a backup CSV before final submission. To complete the process, review the summary totals and supporting attachments, then click Final Submit. The portal stamps a timestamp and locks the record. If submission fails, download the error log, check CSV format, required headers, no extra columns, correct and re-upload. If you still encounter an error, reboot your browser, clear cache, and retry. Persist with a screenshot and the error code. Contact District MIS or Block Administrator with that screenshot and details for rapid resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.